Right, everyone. I have to say it is very tricky today with Mr. Flowers as a group math, so please stay patient, stay the best that you can. Try and have the lesson up next to it as you go along. A little bit of help with you guys if you'd like to get there, if you'd like to have a go. Just some guidance, because I know everyone's finding this quite tricky today. Mrs. Bassett's group did this on Monday and they themselves struggled, so let's have a look. How could the interior and exterior angles be found? Follow it carefully. You reduce the size of the shape. Watch what happens. It comes down and creates the 360 loop. Can you see that? It's now 5 equal angles around a point. So to calculate angle E, you would need to do 360 divided by 5. 360 divided by 5. To see which one is worth. How many 5 go into 36? 7 remainder 1. How many 5s are in 10? 2. 72. Let's just check that's right. So the exterior would be 72. Well done. Now, once we've found the exterior, it becomes quite easy, because you can see once you've found the exterior, it's a straight line. You can then subtract the 72 away from the 180 degree straight line to find the interior. So it's 180 subtract 72, which I'll just work out is 108. You might need to work that one out. I had to work that one out before. Is 108. Does that make sense? So once you've found the exterior, you can subtract that from 180 as it's on a straight line to make 108. Similarly, have a look at this shape here from the second part of your homework. I know everyone should have done this one here. This one here is still quite tricky, isn't it? So keep looking at my earlier video for help with that one. Let's have a look at this shape. I can see if I just turn it round, it looks like an octagon to me. Yeah. That's got 8 sides, 8-sided shape. So I'm going to do 360 divided by 8 to find what the exterior is. So 360, how many 8s go into 360? 4, remainder 4. 8s into 40, 45. So the exterior is going to be 45. Now I know that I've got that straight line. If I shrink it down, it's going to be on 180. So the interior is going to be 180 subtract 45, which works out to be 135, I believe. Let's have a look if I've got that right. 135. Work out the exterior and interior angles of a regular pentagon with 18 sides. Well, not a regular polygon, sorry, with 18 sides. Well, just because I've not got the image, the same thing still applies, guys. So you still just need to do how many times does 18 go into 360 to get your exterior? 2. How many 18s and 0 is 0? 20. So the exterior there is going to be 20. Oh, where's my mouse gone? Which makes it really easy for the interior, because I just take 20 away from 180. So therefore that's 160 to make that straight line. This one's really tricky in the bottom corner. Work out the number of sides. So you're looking to reverse it back now and work out the number of sides. Right, so the interior is 172. What does that leave our exterior to be to make 180? 8. Yeah, it makes it 8. So we reverse back this time. So let's see how many times 8 goes into 360. How many times? Oh, we've already done that one, haven't we? 8 goes into 360 45 times. So we think that that shape is going to be 45 sides. Ooh, here's the moment of truth, Mr. Flowers. Have you got them all right? There we go. Hope that makes sense, everyone. Have a look at this video again. Try your best on this section, and the first one as well, to make sure that you're going through really carefully. It is not easy, okay? It's not easy. Just be careful with what you're doing. Extra little help for this one here. Let's just turn on the side. Again, remember, if that's 147, this one needs to make 180. So there, that would be 33. So 33 for the interior. You have to work out the interior to make it fair. Work out the interiors and find out what's missing from 180. Okay. Patient. Have the lesson up next to you. The lesson does have the answers there. Take your time, okay? Good luck. Give me a shout if you need help.